Hi guys, good evening and welcome back. So there is one interview question. So let us try to solve that one. Okay. So I'll explain the question. So let us try to create one class. So the class is like sub array. Assume it's a sub array. It's not a sub array, but yeah, it's a sub array. So I'll take the main method. So click on finish. So assume that there is an array. Okay. So int a is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So assume this one guys. So, so there is one int a is equal to 3. So now what I want to do is like I want to split this array into sub arrays which should copy first three element as one array and this three as one array and the remaining three as one array and remaining one is should be in one more array. So how do we do that one? So it's like copy this range and this range for every three it has to copy. So that is what it has to do. For that I am trying to build one logic. Okay. So now, so what I can make use of it is like there is a method called copy of range. So I'll show you that one. Say for example int b is equal to uh, uh, arrays dot arrays dot uh, copy of range. Okay, copy of range from which array? This array from 0th index from to 3. Okay, so I'm just doing it manually. So this should be an array and let me print this b array what it tells this out. uh, Arrays dot to string of d dot. So what there was a method, right? Like some method was there to print it as like replace array index. So arrays dot to string only. So not sure why it is not coming here. Arrays dot to string of b, assume it's a b. So it is not coming. It should come actually. What is happening here is like print the value of b. So remove the argument to match string. So let me split that one. Alright. Okay, yes. It's fine. So let me do one more thing. Is like write one for loop. Int I is equal to 0, and or else like I can do one for each loop also. Uh, int c is to b. Okay. This is out. Print the value of c. That's all. See guys, so it is copied like 1 2 3. Okay, so this is copied 1 2 3. So the meaning is whatever the index I am giving and whatever the index start index and end index I am giving, it is copying to the b array, right? So that is what we have to build a logic for it. So that's it. So how can we build a logic? So first let me write one loop. Int I is equal to 0th index I have to start. I should be less than a dot length minus 1 and I plus plus. Okay, so now the question is here what we have to do. Int array of c is equal to arrays dot copy of range from a array. From here what actually we have to always start with the I. Okay, so here I plus 3, correct. So here it should always copy from I plus 3. So this will print the values. So first time 0 it will be there, and a array 0 to I plus not 3, it should be always k to in order to be more precise. So 0 plus 3 it will copy. So next time it will we have to increment, so it will copy from 1. So it should not be I plus plus, so it should be in the second loop I plus k. I is equal to k. So now the question is, first time I value is 0 and I plus k is 3. So 0 to 3 it will copy. So next time it will increment by 3. So the third index only it should copy. So 3 plus 3 6 it should copy. So 6 it will come. So then comes 6 to 9 it will copy. So then comes again it will go right. So 6 to 9 it will happen. So 9 to 12 it should go, because 12 is not there, so it will throw some error for us. So for that, so we have to use one method like math dot minimum. So here we have to pass this I plus k, I plus k. So in this case it will become 12. So actually 12 is not there here. So that is the reason. So we have to go with a dot length. So in this case what it will give me is like a dot length minus 1. Okay. So here what this function will do is like in these two which is minimum, that it will give me. So in all first three iteration this will be minimum, obviously it will give. In the last iteration it will, whenever it will go beyond the array length, so in that case, so this will become the minimum number and it will give me that number. So what I have to do is like it is very simple. Sys out arrays dot to string is not coming up, so why inside that again I have to run this loop, that's all. So int now I just have to copy that one, yes. So that's it. So now you paste here int d is equal to c, right. So now we are printing d. So we will not be able to see that one, right. So we cannot see that one actually, because it will start printing like this only. So what I'll do, I'll create one list, okay, which is of integer array type, and list is equal to new array list. Okay, so this is also an integer array type, and close this one. Okay, so import this from java.util, import this from java.util. Okay, so now what I have to do is like list dot add, you add the c over here. So then come outside and just print the list, that's it. It will be handled. uh, okay, yes. So this is not printing, so again we have to iterate through this uh, list. So how do we iterate from this list? Okay, again the question is, for loop integer array of some z is like that list, which is returning the list array, right. So now I have to print the sysout of array start. Not sure why this two string is not coming. That is the biggest question for me. Any mistake I am doing here? Array start two string. Not two string of z. It should be structure. Cannot make a static reference to a non-static method to string from the type object. Inside the main method only, right? We are not making any non-static reference here, right? Okay guys, so what I'll do is like we'll just like go with the basics only. So we'll print this one. Hmm? You comment out this one now. This also you comment out. Okay. So now this is like P and this should be C. Okay. Print P. Okay. So now after printing P, I'll have to write one separator. So to segregate the items, right? Okay. So now let me print this one. See guys, so it is like so this one also let me separate it out or comment it out for now. And yeah, here we go. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 8 9. So 10 did not came, right? So if 10 did not came means this is the reason. Yes, damage. Yeah. So that's it guys, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 8 9 and 10. So this is like array for every time. So as of now two string is not working, so that is the reason I'm showing like this. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 8 9 and 10. So this will be like divided into three parts. Whatever extra is there, that will be inside one more array guys. So that's all guys, like if you like my content, please hit the like button, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so very much.